Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of adjusting the image resolution to high on the Webtoon app. This setting enhances the visual quality of your comics. First, open the Webtoon app on your device. Next, go to the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then, tap the three dots at the top right. After that, click on Settings to enter the customization menu. Within the Settings menu, find and tap on Image Resolution. You'll see your current resolution setting. Tap on it and choose High to improve the image quality. Please note that while setting the resolution to high enhances image clarity, it may consume more data and affect loading times, especially on mobile networks. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.